Ta-da! It's another awesome video, and this video is number 104, as you can guess. And I'm not just wearing this jacket for nothing. As you can see, this is a new prop for the topic I'm going to be talking about now. And today our topic is times and seasons. Of course, you know there is winter, summer, spring and autumn in other places outside of the African continent, or at least West Africa, where we have Harmattan, dry season, and rainy season. But you get what I'm trying to say, basically seasons. Alright, okay, I'm sure you get it. Have you ever tried to buy a sweater during rainy season or during Harmattan in the north? I have to be specific about Harmattan in the north because you can let me know if you faced Harmattan in any northern states in Nigeria before I share my experience. But you know that it's very expensive when you're buying sweater during rainy season, or when you're buying a sweater during Harmattan season in the north. But if you do buy that sweater during the dry season or during the hot season, aka summer, for everyone who is not Nigerian watching or who is not in Africa, if you do buy a sweater during summer, it's like they're almost dashing you. It's very cheap and very easily affordable. So this is how times and season works. There's certain times when we are doing certain things and it is insanely easy because it is one thing that seasons have affected over the years and over time. So at a particular season, certain things are cheaper and you can buy things ahead of seasons in preparation. Just like the famous quote of, it's not in the battlefield that people begin to buy their weapons and learn to fight. You learn before then. So also with life, it is not during the rainy season that you go and start pricing sweaters. You should prepare for the rainy season. And I think that's something that we're not taught enough practically when growing up, because then you get into the rainy season and nobody tells you, like, this is just an example, right, that you get into that season and nobody tells you how cold Harmattan is. Let's say you're visiting the north, for instance, and you haven't met someone like me who will tell you, please get a sweater because it's very cold. You would be shocked by how much cold there is in the Harmattan season in the north. And if you do not go with a sweater, you're going to be taken advantage of, because then it's going to be very expensive, because they know everybody needs to put in a sweater by then. So preparation in our earthly lives cannot be overemphasized. And in the midst of all this drama, I hope you got the message that preparation before seasons is very important.